Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. So today I decided to just stand up and do my videos today. If you're just coming across this channel, this is Create with Alice, and in this video, in this channel, I talk about YouTube growth. I talk about how to monetize on YouTube. So if you are here, I want you to hit the subscription button. I want you to hit the bell so that when I post a video, you will be able to see it. I want to make money on YouTube. I want to monetize on YouTube. I don't know. I'm still on my 31 days journey um to increase my revenue and also my visibility on YouTube. So one month, after this 1 month trials, I'm going to see the difference between when I was posting every day and when I was posting 4 times in a week. So if you're here and you've been thinking of how to monetize your channel, or you've been thinking of how to make money online and your presence is not being known, or nobody know your presence, that means you have not started on this journey. Every day you will see some people making a lot of money and you'll be asking yourself, what are they doing differently, or what am I doing differently that they are not doing that made them to be making the amount of money they are making. There are a lot of YouTubers who, when you see them, you will see them and their channel, it will look as if making a lot of money, and you have been thinking on how to join them and you have been thinking on how to do it. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you what you will do so that you will multiply your income 10 times on YouTube. For you to multiply your income on YouTube, first, you need to have a lot of channel. Yes, you heard me. You need to create a lot of channel. Be it one, be it two, be it three. Some people have 10. Some people create channel for everything they do around them. Some people create for their family, a family channel, kids channel, business channel, motivational speaking channel, sports channel, gaming channel. And when you see all these channels, you will just be thinking, how are they able to meet up in their posting? Hello, why do you think that they hire social media manager? Why did you think that they will come and say that they want somebody that will come and increase their online presence for them? It's because they have staffs. They have staff. They know who they pay. Some of them will just relax without even carrying camera the way I'm holding my camera now, trying to make a video. Some of them will just relax on their bed and you will see money flowing every month from social media. People are making a lot of money on social media. There is money in social media. If you are still, planning or trying to, procrastinating, tomorrow, next tomorrow, please start today. And when you create a channel, make sure that you take it serious. So for you to, make more money on this space, so for you to make more money on YouTube, you need different social media. You need different social media. You need different YouTube channel. Yes, you heard me. You can't make that type of money that you're looking for only on one channel. So you have to make sure you create a channel. There is this channel I saw, and the lady was talking about how they are posting on different channel, and I was just thinking on my own, how are they able to succeed? She said that she has people that she employed people who are doing who are posting content for her every day, who are creating the content and posting it. That is when you see, when you go to when you will see someone running ad on digital marketing, running out on how to how those different that the different type of YouTube channel that you created. You can open a channel for your children. You can open a channel for your business. You can open a channel, for sports, for weight loss. Then, how if it is for weight loss, what will you do? Every day you go to gym, document a lot of people that is training, interview them, ask them the how far they have gone on the journey. Ask them what is their challenge. Ask them their benefits. Tell them, let them show you their before picture and now picture, so that you will know if there is any difference. You see why I'm always conscious on my mic. The mic went off for God know how long, and I didn't know. I finished filming just to edit, and I found out that the mic was off. And I have to start from where I stopped. So once you find out if there is any difference, and you were able to document it, that means you have established a content for that day. So building a 10 times or making 10 times of money from YouTube, it requires a lot of channel. You can't achieve that with one channel, and you can do it. I have another channel which I post once in a while. I just want to build it gradually, not like this one that I'm putting all my effort on. So I'm building that gradually on this YouTube, and give it time. It's something that will pay. So when you build a lot of channel like that, for your kids, document the process, document what they do when they are going, getting ready for school, document when they are dressing up, document when they are taking their breakfast, document you preparing their lunch, and when they come back from school. Like, why I'm saying this is, why I'm so precise about kids channel is because it's going to help, even help them when they grow up. You documenting those process. There are a lot of folks who like to hear or see the children innocently speak their mind, which a lot of people will really like to see or watch them. So you can create 5, 10, 15 if your strength can carry you. So you can create a channel. So create the channel as your strength can carry you, because it's going to help you in the long run. It's not a competition. You're not competing with anybody. But if you want to make 10 times income and revenue on YouTube, that is what you will do. That is what is going to help you. Creating a multiple Creating multiple channels is going to help you a lot, and you can do it. You can do it. It's not that hard. As far as it's something that you love doing, you create a content around you, what is around you, build, create a content of what you do. It's going to help you a lot. If you have watched up to this time and you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.